Hey everybody, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure, and it's time for another Sunday Shoutout and Mail Call episode. That's right everyone, it's Sunday, so it's time to open up some packages from some of my faithful subscribers and viewers. I've got a total of 8 packages to get into, and we're going to kick this off first and foremost, once again, with Larry Priest at Mobile Coins. All right, guys, Larry the Legend writes, "Hello, Rob. I hope all is well with you. Just wanted to drop you a quick note and a low serial note to go with it. I wanted to say thank you for the shout-outs. It has caused my channel to grow, and I am now doing live streams. All right, although mine are not as cool as yours. Well, mine aren't that cool either. We're still learning as we grow. Enjoy the note, my friend. Happy hunting, and we will see you on the flip side. Your friend, Larry the Legend." Guys, check out this low serial number. 3017826K. Can't get mad at a low serial number note. Larry the Legend, man, I appreciate it. I'm glad your channel's growing. Guys, there's a reason why his channel's growing. It's not just for my shout-outs. It's because he puts out good content and now live streams. As with Larry's channel, everyone's channel will be down below in the video description, as well as in my first pinned comment. So be sure to click on their link, check out their channel, subscribe, and please watch a video or two and let them know that Rob sent you. Once again, Larry the Legend from Mobile Coins. Awesome note and awesome note. Now we're going to move on to Rick Mosier and see what's in his package. Rick writes, "Hi Rob, my name is Rick Mosier and I'm a huge fan. Your videos are always great and a large part of the inspiration for me to get into coin roll hunting." That's very kind of you, Rick. Thank you very much. "Mostly nickels and pennies, but also a box of halves per month." Sweet. "Since you like to collect 59 pennies, I'm sending you a few really nice ones I found in my hunts, along with a few foreign finds. I'm also sending a wheat penny and a buffalo nickel with tough to read dates. Can you maybe find a date for me and send them back? Thanks in advance. Love the videos. Keep them coming." And then he put down here included 2 59Ds, a 59, a toned, a wheat, and a buffalo to get dates off of. Well, I went ahead and checked them out. Let me go ahead and show off the cool 59s he sent me. Beautiful 59D. I'll be checking that for the repunched mint mark, of course. 59. Another 59D. Yeah, these are beautiful. And a cool 2014. Look at that toning on that. Beautiful. I went ahead and already checked the buffalo nickel. You guys might be able to see it with the naked eye as well, but I had to use a 4 times magnifying glass to read it. The microscope got in too close, but this is a 1926p. So I was able to get the date off the buffalo for you, 1926p. As far as the wheat penny, I did all I could. This thing is toasted. It's definitely a 1.9, of course, and I believe it might be a 1.2 or a 4.2. It's hard to tell. You guys can't tell either. I've looked at this thing. It's pretty damaged. My best guess is either a 1912 or a 1942. This thing is been almost melted. I really can't help you there. I put a question mark. I can't give you an exact date on it. I'm going to best guess it based on condition, the relief, and how it looks. It's probably a 1912, but it's hard to tell. Sorry, buddy. Did the best I can. I'll send these 2 coins back to you. No problem. Thanks for asking for my help. I'm glad I got one of them dated. And again, appreciate the package. Now, we're going to move on to CoinMan 5000. Okay, guys. CoinMan 5000 wrote, "Rob, congrats on the 1-year stream and on 300 likes. If you guys missed it on one of my Friday live streams, I had 300 likes. And we were rallying for 300 likes. And a few of the dedicated, loyal, generous subscribers of mine said if we hit 300 likes, they'll toss in some extra goodies. And as promised, CoinMan 5000 included a 1.6 ounce silver bar number 9. So cool. So if you guys don't know, CoinMan 5000 does a lot of his own live pours. He sells his bars. They're awesome. He donated one. One of my viewers won my end of stream giveaway for 300 likes, and it was Sam Farley. And Sam Farley, as promised, when I receive all of the goodies that was promised to you by a few of my subscribers, we will get your package sent out. So this is for Sam Farley. Awesome, CoinMan 5000. You're a class act. Your channel information will be down below. Thank you very much, brother. Next up is Lakehouse Beach, and I believe he was one of my other generous subscribers that also is on that live stream, and this should be what he promised to put in the pack as well, which I believe is a silver war nickel. Let's take a look. Guys, this is not the war nickel package that I thought it was. It's actually a top secret package. There's instructions inside. I cannot release the contents of this package unless it's in its own video. So because of that, we're putting this aside for now and moving on to the next package from Silver Baggins. All right, guys, I'm super stoked about this package. As many of you know, Silver Baggins has Baggins Bullions bars, and I got on the pre-order list early. I asked for serial number 22 because my son played hockey for many years and wore that number. And man, I got a sticker along with my package. I got my COA 2.67 troy ounces, one of the beefiest pours. I asked them to pour for me. Check it out. It's got the Baggins Dragon logo on the front. Oh, 2.67 ounces troy, 999 fine silver, bar number 22. Wow, that's a heavy bar. So Silver Baggins, man, you came through. I'm so happy to get this bar added to my silver stack that's growing by the day. And man, if you guys haven't ordered yourself a Baggins Dragon sticker or some Baggins Bullion, I recommend you check out his channel. Links down below. Get on that waiting list. Get yourself some Baggins Bullion. They are beautiful. All right. Next up is a big package from Jackson Ciravolo. All right, guys. Jackson writes, "Hello, YouTube." Looks like he's got a note in here along with a note. That's a birthday note. October 22nd, 1995. What does he say? "Hi, Rob. I'm excited for you to open these and I hope you like them. There's a tone penny, a birthday note, an Eisenhower dollar coin, a $50, and a Whitman penny book. You can have everything except the book. I was just wondering if you could sign the front cover with a Sharpie. It would mean the world to me. Thank you. Jackson from Livestream Chat." Wow, Jackson. I can definitely do that. Before I do that, let's just relook at some of the goodies you sent me. Looks like a birthday note like you promised. Beautiful. A nice Eisenhower dollar coin. I do like collecting these, so thank you very much. Definitely cool. Looks like a bicentennial $50. And in good shape. We'll take that for sure. And a toned penny. Yep. That's beautiful. Purple toning, little rainbow action on there. Beautiful. Well, let's go ahead and sign the front of this book. Before I do, looks like you sent it almost full. Feels pretty heavy. Looks like this is from 75 to 2013, and you even have a 2017P in there. You got a couple of holes. Let me be right back and see if I've got these fillers for you. All right, Jackson, you needed a 2009D Variety 1. So here's a 2009D Variety 1. We'll put that in there just like that. And you need a 2009D Variety 2. Here's a 2009D Variety 2. We'll put that in there. So now the book is complete, which is a little bit better than it was, of course. I know those aren't very valuable, but hey, they're full. I guess you want me to sign this somewhere where I won't destroy it too much. So I think I'll sign it across the top here. Give me just a second to get ready. All right, man, where do I sign this at? Guess we'll sign it right across here. It's probably going to move a little bit because of the coins. So we'll do our best. I hope you don't get too mad at it. There you go, my good friend. I know it's a little bit bumpy from the coins, but I've signed it. I even put down here in this bottom corner an RFT as well. And 2018. Jackson, hope you don't mind my signature across the front like you asked, and I'll be glad to send it back. He even sent me a package to send it back in. What a thoughtful person. Cool stuff. I'm glad that I could at least fill the last 2 coins in there for you. I know you didn't ask for it, but I had them. Hopefully you don't mind me doing that. And again, thanks for the awesome package. Next up is from Clinton Sorochman, and he sent me a box. Hey Rob, here are the Wheaties I was talking about and a couple of extra coins. I hope you liked them and congratulations on your 1 year. You and your wife are cracking me up tonight and the truth will set you free about the ring. It will, for sure. Anyway, if these are doubles you have, then either keep them or pass them on to your viewers. Thanks for the great stream, Clinton Sorochman. All right, let's take a look at these good old Wheaties. Him and I were talking about some wheat cents. I was kind of giving an idea of some things I was looking for, and he just wanted to send me some goodies. I think I also see some cool silver. Holy cow, look at the, oh my goodness. I almost was blinded by this silver. 1942. Wow, I don't even want to touch this too much. That's a 42S. And this one is a 42D. Wow, those are beautiful Merc dimes. I'm not sure if I need these, but I will always take good looking silver. And they'll upgrade my set for sure. Now I'm going to run through these Wheaties real quick, guys. There's a lot of them. Let me take a look at them and get them grouped, and they'll bring it back in. We've got quite the assortment of pennies here, guys. We got a 1918 Philadelphia. We got 4 1920 Philadelphias, a 1923 Philly, 325 Phillies, 226 Phillies, a 27 Philadelphia. Wait, nope. Yep. 228 Philadelphias, 2 1929 Philadelphias, 3 1930 Philadelphias, a 1950 Denver, and a 1953 San Francisco. Wow, Clinton. So cool. I do have these wheat pennies, so what I'll probably end up doing is cherry picking if any of them upgraded any of my books. I'll do that first, and then I'll probably use them in a future live stream. Compliments of you for another giveaway. Anyway, Clinton, thanks again. I really appreciate it. Cool stuff, cool pennies, beautiful Merc dimes. Now we've got a final package from Alexis D'Angelo. All right, guys, Alexis's package is about a trade that we were talking about. We didn't really finalize the details, but we kind of had it figured out to kind of what we're going to do. So I'll go ahead and read the note. The note is, "Hi, Rob. I'm 11, and I started hunting coins when I found your channel around August. Can you please do more dime hunts? I love them. I'm also hoping you can do some more metal detecting vids. Keep up the good work. The things I want to trade for 1 Barber half, 2 Ben Franklins, a Silver Eagle, and some 1800s coin in exchange for lots of foreign coins, a key date / semi-key date Merc dime, and some other coins." There is a lot of coins here to go through, guys. I really don't want to burden you with all of the foreigns because I haven't seen them myself, but just know that Alexis sent me a pretty big package of foreign coins, so I need to go through these and sort these out on my own time. Some of the coins you'll be interested in is this low mintage Merc dime. It is a 1927. I'll have to check the mint mark on the back. And we've got a couple of weird dimes and a really cool off-centered penny. But to save time, I won't show the foreigns. If you guys really would like for me to go through a lot of the foreign coins during these videos, I can do that. But for today's video, there is a ton. There just is a ton, and it's a lot to go through. Alexis, I'll see what I can do about the exacts of the trade. I'm sure I can get most of this stuff for you, and we'll talk on Instagram. By the way, Alexis wanted me to shout out the Instagram channel associated, Alexis_AUDBHK. Once again, I will have the Instagram channel posted down below and in my first pinned comment. Please check out the channel, support the viewer. That would be great. What a Sunday mail call once again from some really generous and thoughtful people. And believe me, guys, I will have another video out here shortly regarding this top secret package from Lakehouse Beach. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's Sunday shout out and mail call episode. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting and thanks for watching.